These are the Mictuning new rock lights, 32 lights per LED, and they are fully customizable by your phone app. Let's get into this install. All right, guys, you've seen us do rock lights onto our C10. Now, we just got these in from Mictuning. They did send me these. These are the color zone, brand new ones, 32 LEDs in them, super bright. Let's check them out. We're putting them in our 19 Silverado today, right behind me. Let's check this out. Here is the install on the back. As you can see, these ones compared to the other ones have this side area. Here, down here, down here. It's a lot brighter than the other ones we did put on the C10. And the install on these, I like it a little bit better. They're daisy chained together. So this one will run to this one. Will run all the way underneath and up to the front, right there and right there, into under the hood. I have to clean up some wires, but we ran the control box down there. We did hook it up to the Mictuning controller. We'll be doing another video on that separate, so stay tuned to that. Subscribe, hit the notification to see that video. We're going to get back to these once it hits nighttime, but you can see right now it's daytime and they are pretty visible. The great thing about these is a zone control. You can shut off one, shut off two, whatever. We'll check out the app and check out the features. All right, we're about to cover the features of the Mictuning app. I have it screen recorded right now. You can change the brightness. I'll put you guys up close. Like I said, I got 8 pods, one for a pair for each wheel well. I can turn them off. I can control different areas. There's modes. So they have a whole bunch of constant modes. Chasing forward. Blue and green, waving. There's over 76 modes on this. We'll stand back a little bit so you can see the whole view of it. There's custom modes, forward, backward cycle, and you can change the strength of it. A whole lot you can do with this app. How fast it goes. So this over the other one is a constant color. This one is more whatever you want, more customizable. Each pod can be controlled separate on brightness, what color, all that good stuff. Zoom in on my rear. And this is all Bluetooth controlled by your phone. I'll put it on the screen, but as you can see, I'm controlling it right here. You can also do it by music, so when I talk, it will go off, or if a song is going on, it goes off. Turn the music off. You can do rebound, flow water, tons of options with this. If you're looking for custom rock lights for automotive car shows, cruises, that type of stuff, or just driving around. If I was in a Christmas parade, I'd be using that one. It's a shuffle, flash. All right, as you can see here, this is the customized, just the purple. I think it looks pretty sharp on my truck. I can do just white. And I just have 2 pods per wheel well, but there's maximum up to 20. And all you have to do, as you can see there, they're just daisy chained together. So whenever I need to run some more, I can put one in between, or right here is a splitter. I can just run them right off that one. I like the mode selections that they have. Looks like a cop car. Don't want to be impersonating cops. A lot of red, green. Here's a colorful waving forward. Waving backward. If we go look, and we can see there's an overall look to it. We do have them on the C10 here, but we have a single color at a time. You can't change it. That's why I like these a little bit more. I probably might change up the C10 eventually. Don't forget, you guys, subscribe, hit the like, and follow us. We'll be installing this new control box Mictuning also sent us. We'll be doing the install video briefly and how to program it and the different options it comes with. Comes with wireless remote and it's app controlled. So stay tuned to that video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And we will drop links for both of these below in the comments. And thank you, Mictuning. Great products like always.